Once upon a time, in a meadow full of flowers, there lived a little mouse named Monty. Now Monty was a very dapper mouse, always wearing a little waistcoat and a top hat. But his favorite accessory was his scarf. Oh, how he loved his scarf. It was a beautiful silk scarf with a giant red tulip on it. And Monty was so proud of it. One day, Monty was scampering around the meadow, showing off his scarf to all of his little mouse friends. "Look at my new scarf," he said proudly. "Isn't it just the most amazing thing you've ever seen? Look at this huge tulip." All of the other mice looked at the scarf and then at each other. They didn't want to hurt Monty's feelings, so they all started making excuses. Little Martha Mouse said, "Oh, I don't really like tulips. They're a bit too common, don't you think?" And came Priscilla Pricklytail. She said, "Well, I like tulips, but that color is just so last season. You know, the really trendy color for scarves this year is pink. Don't you have a pink scarf, Monty?" All of these comments made Monty feel really bad about his scarf. He thought maybe he should have chosen a different accessory. After all, he did want to look trendy. So when he saw a little girl picking some flowers nearby, he dashed over to her and said, "Excuse me, little girl, but would you please take this scarf off my neck? I can't wear it anymore." The little girl looked at Monty, and then at his beautiful scarf, and then back at Monty. "Why would you want to take such a beautiful scarf off, little mouse?" she asked. "'Cause it's not trendy," said Monty sadly. The little girl didn't understand what he meant by trendy, but she could see that the mouse was upset, so she had an idea. She took the scarf from him and tied it around her head like a headband. Then she skipped away, leaving Monty staring after her in surprise. All of a sudden, Priscilla Pricklytail came scurrying over.
"What are you doing, Monty?"
"That scarf looks amazing on the little girl. I wish I had thought of that." Then Martha Mouse came over too and said, "I guess that color isn't so last season after all." All of the mice stared at the scarf, which now had a daisy tucked behind the tulip, and they all felt a little bit ashamed for making fun of Monty's accessory. From that day on, none of the mice ever said anything bad about anyone's scarf again. And they all learned that being trendy isn't important. What's important is being true to yourself and embracing what makes you unique, even if you're just a little mouse wearing a scarf. The end.